both bumper.
Oh.
Damn.
Watch out, watch out. Watch out behind. Watch out, watch out.
Oh. Okay, Fred, that's enough now. You the man. You the man. You the man. We don't want you to hurt no damn body. Okay. You scared the shit out of me. A whole bunch of us. I'm just trying, man, don't be mad at me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hit man.
Dwayne saying that I seen it all, but I done seen a lot. Flows making tweeters pop, something that the fiends are cop. I know death is certain, I done seen the plots. Before I go, I wanna put my whole team in drops. I got a vision, sharper than 2020. My lyrics to ammo, watch me unload the semi.
Oh. Oh,
Hey,
man.
you raised that ass up, didn't it?
Oh, 25. Oh, he got it. He got it.
Oh, damn. Damn. Okay then.
Ambition came with it today.
That was quick.
One more time. One more time. A ver, one more time.
What was the number? What was that first number?
I saw 30 for sure.
38.
38?
38.
Oh.
Trying to get to 40. Did he make it? 40?
Battlefield, okay. Here we go. DJ, let's go. Okay. Oh!
I was just playing, man. I was just playing. Hey, big dog, I was just playing, man.
He said bring your bike.
Oh, what it is, baby. We gon' take it there. Be better.
Remix, I got three batters.
Man, you know the hood listening right now, baby. Yeah. It will be a big deal.
Look at me, I got a few.
Where we at, nigga?
Go.
I'm about cheese. You must be lactose intolerant.
King is a truck, man. You know that, right? All right, man. One more time. Y'all give it up, boy. He hopping out the
Y'all make some noise, make some noise!
All right. Hey, what man is, man? Oh, did y'all win?
1529? No, 1529.
What's that?
What do you have? I'm just playing with you. It's 19. It's 19. I'm just playing with you.
Yeah, You where we at, y'all? For all them niggas think they want it with backs, let you know 2 words. Yeah, the uncontrollable. Too hot for you, nigga. Yeah. Be a monster, stomp the comp, the footprints. My flow is lethal. Leave a nigga laying on the ground fetal in front of his people. The name Diesel. I'm a fox to y'all weasels. The rap game is like spades and I'm Trump tight. Run a Boston when I bump right. Set niggas, don't let them make boards. Leave them with no books, no possibles, nigga. It's impossibly peace spit, you drooling, just slobbing. Y'all niggas need robbing. You don't bang on the blocks, you need rodmen. You steady hang on my cock, you'll try dropping. You I'm prolific, it ain't smart to think nothing different. I'm here now, something you feel now. You rap cat can write your will down. These the last words you hear now. Yo, call your camp up, lock your doors up, cup your tramp up. Your boy batters, step the game up.
Fire extinguisher over here.
Bud Light, Corona.
Never mind, don't need it no more. Nothing Modelo and Corona. Can y'all make some noise for all three one more time? Make some noise! Once again, congratulations. Oh, that's Lalo.
Lalo, Carlos, all that.
Carlos and Lalo's is not the same thing.
Oh, which one? Who?
Oh.
In the black shirt. Yeah, that's what I was talking to. I didn't know.
He was just on tour with Serkan.
Y'all make some noise for Benny in the section! All right. Okay. We done?
Make some noise, make some noise, make some noise!
Y'all make some noise, make some noise! Y'all make some noise! Obsession Zone 18.
Call your camp up, lock your doors up, cup your tramp up. Your boy got us, step your game up. You heard P came up.